So, welcome to the brand new Blarney Brewery. I'm joined by Pat Falvey, who's the founder and owner of the brewery. So, Pat, tell us a little bit about what you're going to do. You're kind of taking an innovative approach towards brewing and doing things a bit differently.
Yeah, I suppose when we started, we looked at the industry as a whole and we saw that there's a big movement towards sustainability.
Yeah.
And from the offset, I think we're looking at creating one of our USPs as being built around the future of brewing and how it should best be done, and setting a standard and an example for other craft breweries as to how they could best utilise sustainable energy, water management, and all of the good energy saving tactics that are out there in other industries and transfer them across to brewing.
Yeah. So the guys watching this won't know, but the long-term aim obviously is to put the brewery off grid.
Yes.
In Blarney. So we're 4 miles outside of Blarney here at the moment, in the test unit, basically is what we're calling it. But you've put in a beautiful brew house. We're very grateful for the support. So we're Brewiks. I'll highlight to the guys that we've put a boost heating system in, which is super energy efficient, and it's allowing us to have high temperatures on tap under pressure in an innovative way that sort of cuts the electricity use by about a quarter, or down to a quarter, in relation to the electrical consumption of the Brewiks system. But how are you planning to take that off grid? Because there's a lot of juice still being used, even though it's a reduced amount.
So I suppose from the offset, doing our due diligence, one of the big attractions for us in going with yourselves and Brewiks was the energy consumption factor. And we all know, given where we've come from with energy prices, it's a big factor in brewing.
Yeah.
So for us, it was a big deal for us to go with the right kit from the start. And where we're looking to go with it effectively is to utilise alternative energy sources such as solar PV on a more mass scale than maybe would ordinarily be achievable in built-up industrial areas, by bringing it to a site where we have a certain amount of acreage, where we can actually gear up to take what we have here off-grid is the ultimate plan. So,
what about the beers? That's the important bit. What are you going to launch with? What's the plan?
I suppose, obviously, we're in phase one. So phase one for us is to create the brand and create the product.
Yeah.
Sustainability obviously will come thereafter. But for us, the focus from here on in for the next probably 12 months is really utilising the fantastic kit we now have to make good quality beer. And we've no excuses now.
No compromise made.
Exactly,
So it's fair to say it's going to be months before people see the beer on the market.
Yeah, so look, for anybody out there thinking of starting a business in this space, look, it takes time. And I think, to be fair to you, advised me that from the start. So we were well prepared. And I'd anticipate, we're in August now, I'd anticipate it probably will be early new year of 2025 before you'll see our products on the shelves. We still have certain obstacles to overcome, and we need to get everything sorted before we can get out there and put beer on the tables and on the shelves. So we're looking forward to it.
So look, guys, we are going to take multiple features working with Pat as he goes on this journey. All we wanted to do was shine a light on what's coming and the nice touch that they have with the whole sustainable project here and taking brewing off grid. I'm confident great beer will come out of here. We've had a lot of fun here. We've managed to do things that we don't normally do. We commissioned other kit in the mix, and I'm very grateful to all the people that assisted. So we've got Cameron, our refrigeration engineer, in the corner here working his magic. We've got Clement, who came over from Slovenia. We've got Rick, obviously, who does all our engineering in-house, and then our own team of people, just like everybody pitching in, and even Hernan behind the camera there. So we've had a good laugh in Cork. It's been good crack. And
yeah, we've had a great time. The last 2 weeks or so has been, for me, has been a great experience. It's all been all good, and great fun along the way. So thanks very much to Geterbrewed and to Brewiks.
Yeah. Make sure you follow Blarney on their journey. We're going to stick the links to their socials below. So until next time, happy brewing.